Welcome, independent artists, musical storytellers, and innovative beatmakers. I'm SanjayC, and here are the top news stories, deals, and freebies from the music gear world. Today, I've got news about Ableton Loop, and it's gonna be free for everyone. And we'll check out Sonible's new AI-powered EQ plugin, some vintage Soviet synths, a first look at a plugin that emulates the sound of famous studios in your headphones, and much more. I've also got some deals on the Studio One DAW and microphones as well, and a freebie only available for a limited time. Let's get to the news. First is the announcement of Ableton Loop. This is Ableton's annual conference, and this year it's going to be online and open to everyone all over the world for free. Even if you're not an Ableton user, I highly recommend it. They'll have sessions to watch the pros, learn a lot of things, and even collaborate online. Registration opens May 26. This is a one-day event spanning from June 26 to 27, depending on your time zone. If you want to check out some of the past videos of the event so you can get a taste, I'll put a link in the video description. Next up, Sonible has released a brand new version of their AI-powered Smart EQ. It's called Smart EQ3, and they've taken the plugin a significant step further. So for those of you who don't know, one of the key features of Smart EQ is its ability to listen to your track and use AI to set the EQ. Great, but now they've added two really cool features. First is the dynamic mode, which listens while it's EQing to adjust your sound as the song plays. I tried this out and it was pretty CPU intensive, so I had to use it sparingly on a multi-track song that I recorded. However, the even more interesting thing is the cross-channel processing, which listens to whatever tracks you've got Smart EQ on and adjusts them all in a complementary way. Check out how it adjusts the EQ for drums, bass, electric guitar, and vocals on this track I recorded. You hear the Smart EQ engaged first, and then I'll bypass it while the song is playing.
The more you ignore me, the closer I get. You're wasting your time. The more you ignore me, the closer I get. You're wasting your time.
I do like the Smart EQ version better, so it's doing something right. How does it sound on your speakers or headphones? Sonible is really betting on artificial intelligence for a lot of their plugins, including Smart Comp and Smart Reverb. If you like what you heard, you can try Smart EQ3 free for 30 days. If you want to buy it, it's on sale right now for $90. Link is in the description. Next up is a really cool contact instrument from Strix Instruments called Emisynth. They sampled a collection of 11 Soviet children's synthesizers. And what's super cool is they've actually sampled it from the built-in speakers on those old instruments. They sound really nice and they have a very vintage type of sound to them. They've added ADSR, effects, poly and mono modes, so many ways to make this collection unique to you. Or you can just run it in its original sound and get all the original character of these toy synths. You need the full version of Contact to use it. You can buy the full collection in one download from Plugin Boutique right now for 50% off. Link is below. Next up, Arturia's KeyStep Pro has a firmware update and it's available right now. Lots of new features including global transpose, the ability to use arpeggios in sequences, and apply swing to arpeggios now too. And now you can record chord mode chords into a sequence and trigger steps while playing a sequence. There are lots more updates as well. Once again, Arturia keeps making their existing products better with new firmware updates. If you've got the KeyStep Pro, go get the update. If you don't, check out my video on it here. Hey, don't forget about my Antares giveaway. I'm giving away 3 huge prizes. First is Autotune Pro Vocal Studio, which includes Autotune Pro, their top tier plugin, and you get Auto Key and 11 AVOX vocal processing plugins. The second prize is a 2-year license to Autotune Unlimited, which gives you all the plugins for 2 years. And third prize is a 1-year license to Autotune Unlimited. Great prizes, so go watch my Autotune plugin video to see what those plugins do and enter the giveaway. It ends tomorrow. Also, I'm currently running another giveaway. You could win a license to GrooveMate by UJam. You need to follow me on Instagram to enter that one. Keep an eye on your DMs. I'll be contacting 5 winners directly, and check out last week's news report to hear what GrooveMate can do. I've got a couple deals you should check out this week. First up is a sale on PreSonus Studio One. Studio One is a solid DAW, and you can get it at a discount right now, especially good if you're upgrading Studio One. Link is below. Next, Sweetwater is having a microphone sale right now with some special bundles. You can even get a deal on the Universal Audio Apollo interface plus the Shure SM7B mic, both excellent. And there's a deal on the Slate VMS ML1 mic as well. Lots of good deals, even on budget mics. Use the link in the description to get to the sale page. Okay, I've got a little something unusual today. This is not really a music product, but I featured it in one of my past videos and you guys can't stop talking about it. It's music level lights. They've released a new version called 2D. These lights respond to your music and add some nice ambiance to your studio. They don't differentiate frequencies, so you can't use them as visual EQ, but hey, they're still cool. The new version comes with a remote control, so it's easier to select different animations, and it has an audio input so you can make sure you don't pick up other noises in your room. I'll put a link to them in the video description.
Sanjay and I would like to thank our mothers for all their support and love. My mom is my biggest cheerleader, and I appreciate all the love and support, so thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
Meet our artist from this week, Anthony from Melody in Mind. Anthony would like to also thank his mom. He says she has been a huge supporter of him and his music. Anthony is from North Carolina. His favorite piece of gear is the Novation Circuit Tracks, and favorite plugin Guitar Rig 6 by Native Instruments. Follow Melody in Mind on Instagram, and if you want your music shared with our MTMYL community, follow and tag SanjayC, hashtag SanjayC News, and hope you get a chance to say thank you to your mom or a mother figure in your life.
For this first look, we're gonna do something really different. We are actually doing a first look on a plugin that's gonna work with these headphones.
Where are we plugging it in?
Ba-ding-tsh.
This plugin lets you hear your mix in other studio environments.
Yeah, I've tested another thing that does this, the Slate VSX headphones, and what those do, they're actual headphones that work with the software that lets you hear your mix in other studio environments. The difference this time is that this solution actually takes a picture of your ear, so it's unique to your ear, and you can use any headphones with it. I'm gonna use the DT990 Pro headphones by Biodynamic today.
Back up. It takes a picture of my ear.
A picture of your ear. By the way, did I even say what it's called?
I don't know. I'm not listening.
Immerse Studio.
Oh.
Immerse.
Immerse into the ear.
Wouldn't that be ear immerse?
Ear immerse.
I'm gonna scan the QR code in the software. Boom. And it says open this link, so you click that. So we're opening the link. Submit an image of your right ear.
I do have big ears.
Do you like that picture of your ear?
No, let me fix my earrings. You're gonna get to see my ear.
Now, the ear picture is uploading to the Immerse website, and it's thinking.
So, how's your day going so far?
Success!
Oh, okay. That was a short conversation.
We have created a personalized audio profile based on your ear. Please return to the Immerse software to complete the setup. And on the screen, it already knows that it's got her right ear, and it says contacting server, so it's preparing. I don't think we need the phone anymore. Your personalized profile is ready to go. Now we say get started. Based on the picture we took, it's gonna change the way the headphones sound based on her ears.
It's giving a menu with all these companies like Audio-Technica, AKG.
So we're using the DT990 Pro. Now, unfortunately, this is the part that you guys won't be able to hear, but take our word for it. Oh, wait, let's do this, okay?
What?
I'm gonna turn the plugin off so you hear how
Okay.
they sound naturally. Now, remember what that sounded like, and now I'm gonna turn Immerse on. It's gonna make these headphones sound as if you're sitting in the Echo Bar Studio A in North Hollywood, California.
Wow.
Let me know if it sounds like the Echo Bar Studio.
Okay, because I've been there.
Ready? Did it sound different?
It sounded more like enclosed enhanced.
Huh.
Like enclosed, like I'm in a room.
Okay, let's try a different studio.
Wait, I want to go to someone famous.
I'll tell you about the Echo Bar Studio.
Okay.
That's where Eric Reichers and Bob Horn have produced, mixed, and engineered for Michael Jackson, BTS, Snoop Dogg, Dr. Dre, Bono, Earth, Wind, and Fire, and others. So you just
I'm
heard,
already somewhere famous.
So you just heard what it sounded like in the mixing studio for those artists.
Oh my God.
The Spitfire Studio, this is,
Oh, it's showing which speakers are being used too.
we can change the speaker too,
That's
so we can
cool.
hear these. Okay, so are you really hearing a big difference when I change the studios?
Yes, definitely. I mean, some it's slightly. I feel like just like as if I'm shifting from one room to another.
Right.
Headphones on.
Okay, so there's huge differences between the different studios.
Yeah.
They even have this ambiance control, so you can like hear more of the room ambiance. I'm gonna try
Then why
that.
didn't you put the ambience for me?
Let's listen to what Warren hears.
Women love ambience.
Ooh, I like the Genelecs.
Told you.
Those are nice.
I love those speakers. Genelec people, please send it over. Immerse works as a subscription model. Pay $9.99 a month, only when you need it.
Or $200 if you just want to purchase it outright. That one's only compatible with one headphones. If you want all these headphone options, then you pay $3.99 for a full purchase or $20 a month. The good thing is that you can actually try it for free for 14 days to see if it's actually worth it for you.
Cool. I can imagine this can help people make music better.
The way it's going to help you make music better is it needs to help you mix more effectively. It really doesn't matter that you're listening to your music in these studios. That's kind of just a fun part. It's really just different reference points to hear your mixes. So how does it sound in different environments? Try it free for 14 days and see if it makes a difference to your mix. That's the only way you're really gonna know.
Yeah.
Oh, and I've got a discount code.
How much?
I don't know. You'll find out in the video description. Go check it out. So what's this week's freebie? Well, I've got a limited time free morphing filter plugin. Rift Filter Lite lets you choose from 24 filters for morphing, vowel, phaser, peaking filters, and more effects. Remember, it's only free for a limited time, so go get it now. Link is in the description. That's it for the news. Keep making the music you love. And if you missed last week's news report, go watch it. There's a must-have plugin you don't want to miss in that video. I'll see you later.